We have serve verb pattern. Do that's one, na? You know, in English we say sometimes I wake up for myself, you wake up for yourself, I take a bath for myself, you take a bath for yourself. That serve verb pattern is based upon myself and yourself. Say Claire.
Yes.
Basically, this is a one self pattern. Serve verb. One self pattern. Is it clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Now, for example, there are a lot of verbs. Team, you will repeat after me. There are a lot of verbs wherein we have, see, as explained to you in French language, if the verb is ending from er, either the verb is ending from ir, either the word is verb. If we take the example of English language, we have verb walk. Okay. What to say walk in French? Marcher. Repeat after me, team. Marcher.
Marshall.
Repeat.
Marshall.
Why? Because it
Marche.
is a. Now, for example, if I will say what to say eat in French, you will say manger.
Marshall.
What is the similarity over here? The verb is ending from
Here.
er,
Year.
er. But in English, we do not have even a single similarity, right?
Mm.
So now you came to know either my verb will be end from er, Claire. Now repeat after me. For example, we have verb choisir. Repeat after me.
Swazir.
Choisir. Choisir. Repeat after me, please. Ab now
Swazir.
Was
choisir is ending from ir.
IR.
And choisir is my verb to choose. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now, for example, we have verb finir. Repeat after me. Finir.
finished.
Finite.
Over here, finir is my verb to finish. Repeat after me, team. Finir. Clear.
Finished.
Finite.
What
This rule is always.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
Verb will always end with er, ir, or re.
Exactly. Exactly. Either it will end from IR, ER, and RE. If we have verb, I will say réussir. Repeat after me, team. Réussir.
Reusir.
Now, E. This E, the sound is going A.
A.
Réussir. Tell me. We have,
Receive.
it should be right hand side direction. Tell me. From bottom to top should be right hand side direction. Tell me, team.
Right hand side.
Yes, तो उसको कर लेना.
Yes.
So réussir is my verb to success. Clear? To success,
Yes.
successful. Clear? Réussir. But in French, we have C. Either the verb is ending from er, ir. Clear? And
Yes.
if I will say to get down, to uh, stepping down the stairs. So what we do in French? Descendre. Repeat after me, team. This
This
Descendre.
on the.
now this is stepping down from the stairs. Step down. See, in English there is no even a single similarities we have. Descendre, say Claire. For example, we have a verb to cook. Cuisine.
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 Question. Question.
To cook. Clear? We have verb attendre. Repeat after me.
Attendre.
Attendre is my verb to wait.
Attendre.
Attendre. Now over here, attendre is my verb to wait. Now over here we have er, So either my verb will be ending from ir, and re. Is it clear to you, team?
Clear.
Yes.
Now, team, we were doing verb. You know what? But there's some verb which starts from se. Now, for example, we have verb se amuse.
Amuse.
But verb is ending from er, right? But it is starting from sub pattern. So as we have done, we have two vowels. So one will eliminate and there would be apostrophe. Have you done with this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, but now it is a consonant, right?
Yes.
And the next word is a vowel. So we have to combine the sound. Samuse.
Amuse.
See, team ending is same, but there are some verbs which starts from sub pattern. This is we call as team reflexive verbs. Sub verbs pattern, because obviously in French there are some verbs which I will give the list of those verbs gradually. You will come to know gradually that there are some verbs which start from sub pattern, which is one self pattern. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes.
Okay. So I will say s'amuser. S'amuser is my verb to enjoy. Team, some verbs, if when we speak the articles, when we speak the theme, right? We use a lot of times verbs. I will explain to you. Team, now first thing we have to understand how to conjugate, because in French language we have a conjugation team. Is it clear to you? How to
Yes.
conjugate the verb? Team, one thing you have to understand. If the verb is ending from er, right? To be honest, French is not English. Okay.
Okay.
See, for example, if I will say walk, I will say I walk, you walk, he, she walks, we walk, they walk. My walk is, it is just, I have to capture what to say what to say you, and I can walk, I can apply walk, but it is not here in the French. If the verb is ending from er, team, now for example, we have verb parler. Clear?
Parler.
We have verb aimer. Aimer is my verb to like. Aimer is my verb to like. Say clear, team.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Repeat after me. Habiter. Habiter is my
Habiter.
verb to live. Now these are the verb which is ending from er, right? So if the verb is ending from er, in order to conjugate from I, you, okay, I have to eliminate my ending of er. In order to conjugate the verb with I, you, he, she, we, right? The same in Hindi we do. पढ़ना, पढ़ना. So, मैं पढ़ना हूँ और मैं पढ़ता हूँ. Tell me.
पढ़ता हूँ.
पढ़ता हूँ.
It means what you did. You remove na and you apply ta. The
Yes.
same thing we are doing over here. You have to remove er, which is na. You can understand your verbs like that. So you can see in Hindi also we have same ending. Chalna, khana, pina, na. So it is like a Hindi. It is clear to you, team.
Yes.
So we will write it separately. Er. We will always separate it.
No, we cannot write separately. It should be all together, right? In writing, it should be all together. Okay. जैसे for example we write पढ़ना, but we convert it पढ़ता,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
So this is why I separated, because I just want to explain to you, right? Okay. So we have to remove er and we will use one formula. So team, if the verb is ending from er, right, in Hindi we have formula of ta, te, ti. Clear? यही formula है ना? Ta,
Yes.
te, ti. Clear? If the verb is ending from er, your formula is e. Repeat after me: e,
E.
es,
Yes.
e,
E.
ons,
ONS.
ez,
EZ.
ent.
ENT.
Repeat after me if in case the verb is ending from er. Okay. The formula of er ending verb is e, es, e. Repeat after me: e, es, e,
E. ESE.
ons, ez, ent.
ONS. EZENT.
Very simple. So now what you need to do is, team, we have verb aime, Claire. Abite, Claire. Remove er. The moment you will remove er, what you left with? Tell me. Aim.
Yes.
So it is very simple. So what you need to do is aime, aimes. Say Claire, team.
Yes.
Is it clear to your team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
And it is just we have to understand the formula. Now, for example, have you done what to say je in I in French, what to say you in French? We have done. Tell me, team. Now, let me explain to you again. This is formula. Now, for example, we have verb habite. Habite is my verb to live. Repeat after me. Habite. Repeat after me, team. Why habite? Why not habite? Team, if your word is ending from H, sorry, if the verb, if your word is ending starting from H, I'm saying ending, sorry, it's my mistake. Je suis vraiment désolé. मेरे साथ बोलो. और je suis vraiment désolé. Je suis vraiment désolé. Repeat after me. Je suis vraiment désolé.
Yes.
I am.
Désolé.
Yes. Vraiment is really. Vraiment is really.
Really.
And désolé is sorry. Don't. Désolé, E we have a sound, and E we have a sound you have to make. Okay, right hand side direction. Désolé. Clear? Je suis is to I am. I will explain to you I am pattern. Today we'll do a lot of things. Entire verb pattern will do today. So je suis vraiment désolé. I am really sorry. Say Claire, team.
Okay.
See team, if your H is a starting word, so it will be silent. We cannot pronounce. Abite. Say Claire. So what I will do with this abite? Ear remove. E. Say Claire, team. Yes.
Yes, sir.
E.
First and third one is same.
Exactly. Yes. Claire.
Yes.
Then we have ONS, EZ, and ENT. Now let me explain to you, TK, that's fine. You have done this, right? Now team, please listen to me very carefully. Team, you came to know this pattern, tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Now, if the verb is ending from ir, then, for example, we have verb choisir, finir. The verb is ending from ir. Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes, sir.
Team, in French, we have a conjugation because your French language, 50% French language, half of the French language based upon your conjugation. Take Claire. So please understand it very, see, now, for example, if you not raise the question, if you not ask the question, it means obviously the moment you will do practice, the question will come up and you will ask to me. So if you not raise the question, I will observe that practice is not there. Say clarity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if the verb is ending from IR, the formula of ending verb is team both gradually इसको करेंगे, we'll do very gradually. IS, IT, very tricky. If the verb is ending from ER, the formula is ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. Say clarity.
Yes,
The verb is ending from IR. So we have to remove IR from the end. Team, is it clear to you?
yes, sir.
And I have to make the ending of IS, IT, ISSONS. Say Claire. ISSEZ and ISSENT. Yes, team. This is a tricks. Say Claire. Team, repeat
Yes.
after me. If the verb is ending from IR, repeat after me, please.
If the
If the
verb is
verb
ending with
ending
IR,
from IR, team, we have
IR.
formula. IS, IS,
IS,
T,
IS, IT,
ISSONS,
ISSONS,
ISS,
ISSEZ,
and ISSENT.
ENT.
ENT,
Now repeat after me. IS, ISIT,
IS, IS, IT,
ISSONS,
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 ISSEZ,
ISSEZ,
EZ,
and ISSENT.
ISSENT.
So team will do a lot of things. Now we have choisir. We have to remove choisir here. So what I need to do is team remove IR from the end. Clear, team?
Yes,
So it is just to insert a formula. CHOISIS.
IS,
Ciclet. CHOISIS.
IS.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
CHOISIT. So
IT.
team, with the help of recordings, you can, write it down again and again, and you can see it out. So CHOISISSONS. Because today's session, you have to practice with your notepad, with your writing, right? CHOIS, say Claire, ISSEZ, CHOISISSEN.
ENT,
So repeat after me. IS,
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 IS, IT,
IT,
ISSONS,
ISSONS,
ISSEZ,
ISSEZ,
and ISSENT.
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 Now, team, one thing we have to understand, which is very important. Clear? Repeat after me. Je is to I.
Just why.
Je. What to say I in French? Je.
Joke.
Je. Repeat after me. Je.
Je,
Je. Tu. Tu is to you informal. Tu is to you informal. It means tu. Tu. Repeat after me. Tu. Tu. So repeat after me. I is to je. Je is to I. Je is to I.
Joe is to I.
Tu is to you informal.
Joe is to you informal.
Il, L. Il is to he. Il is to he.
Il is to he.
and L is to she.
L is to she.
Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. Je is to I.
Ja is to
So is
I.
to I.
Tu is to you informal.
Chu is to you informal.
Il is to he.
Il is
Il
to
is
him.
to he.
L is to she.
L
L
is
is
to
to
she.
she.
Nu is to we.
Nu is to
It's
we.
we team. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Vous. Vous is to you formal, which we have up. Vous is to you formal.
Formal.
Say Claire. And
Yes.
L. Team C. Il is to he. Whenever we have a lot of boys, I can say ILS. It will masculine, male. L is to she. If you're a lot of girls, I can add S. It will be a lot of girls in terms of feminine. But yes, S would be silent. So I can pronounce like L and L, plural. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes.
So repeat after me, team. Je is to I.
So is to I.
I.
Tu is to you informal.
Chu is to you
Chu is to you
informal.
informal.
Nu is to we.
Nu
Who
is
is
to
to
we.
we.
Vous is to you formal.
Who
Vous
is
is
to
to
you
you
informal.
formal.
Formal. Up. Vous is to up and tu is to two. And il, L is plural. Is it clear?
L plural.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, may I rub this team? Okay. Now, team, for example, we have verb habiter.
Habiter.
Habiter is my verb to live. Clear? So how to conjugate this verb with I live, you live, he, she lives? So je is to I. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to remove er and my first ending would be E. So
E.
Habit.
E.
Now team H we count as vowel in French. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
H we count as vowel. So what we have to do? For two vowels, I have to eliminate one and the apostrophe. And in that case, I have to combine the sound because why? Now this J is a consonant and H is a vowel. I have to combine the sound. So Jabit. Repeat after me, team. Jabit. Repeat after me. Jabit.
Jabit.
Jabit is to I live. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Jabit. Now we have two informal. Clear? Chew, beat. We have ES standing.
Habit.
Clear?
Yes,
L, beat.
L. Habit.
Clear, team? Nu, zabiton. Why nu zabiton? Because we have a consonant like S. The next word is starting from a vowel. So repeat after me. Nu zabiton. Repete après moi. Nu zabiton.
Nous habitons.
Zabiton, vous habitez. EZ sound is A. Vous habitez. Za. Because we have to combine the sound. Right? Vous habitez and team
Vous habitez.
elle habite. Is it clear to you?
L. Habit.
Yes, we have ENT. So elle habite. So repeat after me. J'habite is to I live.
Jabit.
Jabit is to I live.
Tu habites is to you live.
Tu habit is to you live.
Elle habite is to he, she lives.
L. Habit is
To
he,
she.
she lives.
Nous habitons. Répétez après moi. Nous habitons
Vous
habitons,
vous habitez,
vous habitez,
and elles habitent. Clear?
elles habitent.
Is it clear to
सर
you?
इसमें जैसे हमने इल एल अबीत यहाँ पे लिखा है ना, जैसे हम अबीत में जब लिखना है तो वहां हमने पोस्ट ऑफ डाला ई हटा के.
हाँ बच्चे, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. देखो एक चीज समझिए, देयर सम केसेस वी हैव एक्सेप्शनल थिंग्स, वेरी रेयर केसेस. थ्यू, थ्यू is also a vowel u, right? And
Yes,
L
yes,
is also vowel, but yes,
yes.
Q and L में changes नहीं आएंगे. बस आपको ये बाकी हर
Okay.
इसमें changes आते हैं. Q
ठीक है.
and L में it will not change. Is it clear to you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So now, for example, we have verb choisir. Repeat after me, choisir. Choisir is my verb to choose. So bachcho, what we'll do? Okay, we'll pick the verb punir. Is a new verb. Punir is my verb to punish.
Punish.
Say clear? So what
Yes.
will do? I punish. Ironing verb. So what is the formula of ironing verb? Is,
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 IT,
it,
ISS,
issons,
ONS.
issez, and issent. Is it clear?
Yes.
So what I will do? I punish. Je puni. Punis. Say clear. Chew
Yes,
puni. Say clear team. Is it clear to you?
yes, sir.
L puni. Say clear team.
Yes, sir.
Nu puniso. Because we have PUNI, then we have
ISS,
ISSONS.
ONS.
So nu puniso. Nu puniso. Team ending you have to capture. ISISIT ISSONS puniso. PUN, because I have to remove ISSEZ. So repeat after me. Vu punise.
Vous punissez.
Punise and il punis. Is it clear to you, team? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So repeat after me, team. Je puni.
Je punis.
Tu puni. Tu puni.
Tu punis.
Il puni. Repeat.
Il punis.
Il puni.
Nous punissons.
Nous punissons.
Vous punissez.
Vous punissez.
So
Elles punissent.
Il punis.
Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
So team, now we'll do the verbs. See, I will give you the lot of verb pattern today, so that because with the help of verb we speak the language out. Clear, team? Is it clear? Now, for example, we have verb done. Repeat after me. We have verb done. Done is my verb to give. Repeat after me, done, and make a conjugation of done in your notepad, team. Done.
Donner.
What we do, we have to remove er. Clear, team?
Yes,
And
sir.
what we'll do? Je donne, DONNE. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Tu donnes, ending with es.
Yes.
Clair. Elle donne, c'est clair, team. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Nous donnons, c'est clair, team. Clair?
Yes, sir.
Vous
Yes, sir.
donnez, and elle donne. Now, team, dramatically, I will take you. See, we are doing punir, abite, A1 verbs. That are very starting verbs. But dramatically, I will move to B1 verbs. Abime. Repeat after me, team. Abime. Repeat after me, please.
Abime.
Literalmo, literally abime is to ruin, खराब कर देना हर चीज, to ruin.
Okay. Okay.
Abime. Now you have to understand abime. So team, how to conjugate abime? Very simple. It means jabim. Say
Jabin.
why? Because there were two vowels. So ja, shu abim. Is it?
Two abin.
कर लोगे?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
El abim. Nu abimo. Abime. Is it and ent. Is it
Okay.
duty? So team, I will give you some list of the verbs. For example, we have team bouger. Very important verb, bouger. Bouger relates to your B1 vocabulary. Bouger. Bouger is my verb to move team. We use a lot of times. Bouger. Bouger is my verb to move.
What was the meaning of done?
Done is to give.
Give.
Done is to give. You know,
So
give.
all these verbs are same like donne and abime and bouger. Then why it is falls under level A1 and B1? So what is the difference?
But A1 एक normal level है ना, जैसे मान लो vocabularies है ना. For example, abime we cannot explain जब हम एक normal pattern पे होते हैं, we cannot explain abime to kids, right? But we are picking the pattern of TEF and TEF में हम abime को use करते हैं in terms of, for example, I have to convince you to join because there is a pattern. I will explain to you the pattern, but अभी एक movement चल रही है language के साथ, right?
ठीक है.
Now, for example, I have to convince you for to participate in a drawing competition, right? I will say, ठीक है, and you have to convince me. See, candidate को examiner को convince करना होता है with 10 to 11 phrases, and examiner will not say yes starting में, वो सबसे बाद में yes बोलता है, so एक conversation चलता है. तो आप बोलोगे ठीक है तेरी, that's your wish. If you not join, you will maybe you will ruin your career. अपना career खराब कर दोगे. What to say ruin? So that is abime.
Abime.
Templates हैं which we use in section B, section A. With the so for this reason, I'm adding those vocabularies so that you will capture those vocabularies in the very first and second day. Say clear. So the moment will gradually will pick the pattern of TEF also. After 3 and 4 days, we are doing TEF also because we are doing the verbs of TEF. Bouger is my verb of TEF, right? So whenever will move in the pattern, so you not face problem. Say clear. So bouger is my verb to move. Clear? Now, what is ear ending verb? You know, the formula of ear ending verb is E. ESE. ONS. EZENT. But you need to understand, if in case of GER ending verb, if in case of GE ending verb with my nu, I have to add E. That's a rule. In case of GER ending verb, that's an ending verb, but with GER ending verb. So what I will do, I move je bouge. Say clear team.
Yes.
Tu bouge. Say clear team. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
Then we have il bouge. Now over here we have bougion. Ion. Because we have a pronunciation also change. Nous bougions. We can say nous bougeons. In case of GER ending verb, I have to apply EONS. Say clear team. Only in case of no, the rest will be same. Now, for example,
can you repeat, please?
I will repeat. Now, for example, we have verb manger. Clear? Okay. Now, you know there's an E running verb. So what do you say? You will do E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, and ENT. Say that. But in case of GER ending verb, if the verb is ending from GER team, so that's a rule. Only in case of nu, it means we, right? I have to insert EONS. That's it. Only
in this case, ONS.
only with ONS we have to insert E in the starting. Only in case of GE running verb and with case of nu only. Clear? So ये spelling हमें नहीं बोलना है, जैसे monge, clear? Monge, MNGE, but over here we have Mongion. Mongion. Say clarity. So only in case of GE ending verb, okay, team,
Okay, sir.
I
Okay,
have
sir.
to insert EONS with no conjugation. Say clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Clear? Now, team, obviously, I want to give you a lot of verbs, which let's see how the pattern works. Say clear? Because verb play a vital role. Now, I'm going to give it to you 10 to 15 verbs, which we have to capture, right? Now, repeat after me. Abaisse, repeat after me. Abaisse is to launch, to push, to pull down. Very important. Abaisse, I will explain to you how you will use this. Abime, abaisse, abime belongs to my B1 TEF vocab. Okay? So abaisse is to load, to push, to pull down. Abaisse. Repeat after me. Abaisse.
Abaisse.
Abime. Repeat after me. Abime.
Abime.
Abime is to ruin. Is it clear to you? Aime. Aime is my A1 vocab. Yes. Aime is my simple vocab, which is aime is to like. Repeat after me. Aime.
Aime.
Arrive. Repeat after me. Arrive.
Arrive.
To arrive.
To arrive.
Say clear, team. Bouger. Bouger is. Repeat after me. Bouger is to. Say clear. Now brosse. Brosse is to brush. To brush the teeth, we call as brosse. Team, very important. Brosse. Brosse is my subverb basically. Okay. Abhi we are doing to brush. Brosse. Changer. GER ending verb. Changer. So in case of no, we have EONS. Team, is it clear to you?
Yes, yes.
Changer is to change. Chante. Chante is to sing. Repeat after me. Chante.
Chante.
Chercher is to look for. Repeat after me.
Chercher.
Is to look for. Where?
To look.
Commencer. Repeat after me. Commencer.
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 Repeat after me. Team. Commencer. Commencer is to begin, to start. Commencer.
Commencer.
Commencer, to begin.
Corriger. Corriger is vocab for B1. Corriger. What we are doing, correct, majorly in a very starting age, will pick up A1, a few vocab for B1. Corriger is to correct. Danser is to dance. Danser is to dance.
Danser is to dance.
Demander is to request, to ask. To request also. Demander.
Demander.
Request, to ask. Demander. Détester, we have to hate. Détester. Repeat after me. Détester is to hate.
Détester.
Yes.
Détester.
Donner is to give. And
donner.
Yes. And écouter is to listen.
Écouter.
Is it clear to you? Now, team, randomly, if I will pick the verb of chercher, is to look for. So what I will do? Je cherche. Tell me, team. I look. I have to remove ER. What we have to do? I have to remove ER, so I left with what? If I remove ER, CHERCH. Tell me team.
Yes, sir.
Ending of je with E. Q.
With
You
H.
have to you search. Clear? So what I will do? CHERCHE.
ES.
Yes. You search, we have you look for. L. Tell me the spelling, please. Tell me team.
CHERCHE.
Yes. With my new CHERCHONS. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then we have VU, CHEREZ.
EZ.
Because VU with EZ and IL plurial. Say clarity.
CHERCHENT.
Is it clear to you, team?
Yes,
So
sir.
team, now we are working for a project in TEF. So pen down please in a notepad, project 1. Pen down please, project 1.
Project 1.
In a project 1, you have to submit all the conjugation of these verbs. This would be your task. Now this would be your project 1. So pen down
all the conjugations of?
all the conjugation, you have to convert all the conjugation.
Okay, sir.
Like what, like for example, we have verb corrige, right? This corrige. But you have to do entire verbs conjugation, which you have to submit to me in my WhatsApp. Say Claire.
Okay.
So corrige, for example, we have corrige. Say Claire. So I can say je corrige. CORRIGE, right? Tu corrige, ES. Il corrige, E. Nous corrigions, EONS आएगा. C'est clair.
Okay.
Vous corrigez and il. This would be your first project which you need to submit to me. Say Claire. By the end of the day.
जो इस पेज पे वर्ब्स लिखी हुई हैं, इन्हीं की कॉन्जुगेशन सेंड करनी है।
हाँ बच्चे, ये सारा ये पूरा वो देखो सर्कल किया हुआ है। This is your project 1.
Okay.
Clear? Now.
Yes, sir.
और वॉवल का रूल यही है ना कि 2 वॉवल अगर इकट्ठे आएंगे तो पोस्ट ऑफ के साथ करना है उसको।
Exactly. Because the moment you will submit a project 1 and you will write it down and submit, you will come to a lot of things. The more you write and you will do it yourself. If any doubt, you have to ask to me. Say Claire. Now we have team I running verb.
सर ये कमेंसे वाली जो यहाँ हमने वर्ब लिखी हुई है, इसके ऊपर 2 स्टार स्कीम बने हुए हैं।
I will explain to you. आप इसको सबमिट करोगे, I will explain to you. ठीक है, खुद से दही में कन्वर्ट करना है, वो कोई ज्यादा वो नहीं है, अभी आप कर वो। ओके, नाउ टीम, let me give it to you the second project which you need to submit. Clear? Because see, TEF is based upon the project. You are in the war of this TEF. So in this war, whatever I'm explaining to you, you have to do this, and this would be your project. Say Claire. Is it? So now team, let me explain to you. Now I will work for the vocabularies of B1 and B2. Now repeat after me. Clear? May I rub this team?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now team, team, repeat after me. Abolir. Repeat after me. Abolir is to abolish. Repeat after me. Abolir.
Abolir.
Abolir is to abolish. Repeat after me. Accomplir. Repeat after me. Accomplish. You know, complete the task. Accomplish. Agir. Agir. Agir is to act, to react. You know, il s'agir, it is to be act like. We use in a lot of time in B1 TEF. Agir. These are very important vocabularies, team. a bit
Okay.
heavy pattern, but you have to understand. Now, for example, we have verb agrondis. Repeat after me.
Agronti.
Agrondis.
And team, मैं आपको day one से बोल रहा हूँ because मुझे नहीं पता लगेगा, right? ये आपने this is you have to explain to me. If you feel session is getting heavy, you have to stop me in between because session चलता रहेगा क्योंकि TEF में there is no limit of the timings. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Until and unless you not stop me. Stay clear. Because if you feel कि इतना हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, इतना ही कर पाएंगे, stop me in between. Say clear. कोई ऐसा obligation नहीं है. Is it clear to
Okay,
you?
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
agrondir is my verb to enlarge, to increase.
Agronti.
Agrondir verb we use in B1 TEF. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, if I want to convert agrondir verb, so what I will do? What is the formula of this is a project 2 team which you need to submit? Project 1, e-learning verb. Project 2, ironing verb. Say clarity.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the formula of ironing verb? IS,
IS, IT,
IS, ONS,
ONS, ISSEZ,
and ISS.
ISSENT.
So what I will do? I have to remove IR from the end. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
So Jagrondi. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
Chu Agrondi. Say Claire team.
Yes, sir.
Il Agrondi. Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
Nuza Grondisson. Is it clear to your team? Nuza Grondisson. Vous a grondissé.
Say.
Clear? And il agrondis.
सर इसको प्रोनाउंस कैसे करेंगे ईएनटी वाले को?
बच्चे ईएनटी वाला एनएनटी वुड भी रहेगा साइलेंट. Clear? Consonant. Sorry. Yes. Consonant ending would be silent. So il zagrondis. Zagrondis. So repeat after me. Jagrondi. Repeat after me. Jagrondi. Tu agrondi. Il agrondi. Agrondisson. And il zagrondis. Is it clear to you, team? And that e-learning verb which we have done, these verb has to be fixed in your mind. Tomorrow I can ask.
Okay.
So repeat after me. Accomplish. Accomplish. Repeat after me. Accomplish.
Accomplish.
Agir. Agir is to be act like. Repeat after me. Agir. Agir. Agrondir. Repeat after
Agrondir.
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 Avertir. Repeat after me. Avertir. Avertir is to warn. You know, warn karna. Avertir. Avertir. Warn. Team we use in B2 writing. Avertir. Section B. Writing. Section B. Oral. Avertir. Batir. Batir. Batir is to build. Benir. Repeat after me, team. Benir. Benir is to bless. Bless. Bless, you know, to blessing someone. Benir. So repte after me. Isi meant no with the way raple shows. It means what I'm saying. You have to remember the things. Raple. Remember. Repeat after me. Accomplir. Agir. Agrondir. Avertir. Batir. Batir is to build. Benir is to bless. Bless. So bene is to bless, blanchir is to whiten and to lighten. No, blanchir
Blanchir.
to lighten, to whiten, blanchir. Repeat after me.
Blanchir.
Which we have done. Choisir is to choose. Choisir.
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 Convertir. Team, repeat after me. Convertir. Convertir is to convert.
Convertir.
Convertir.
Is it clear to you? Definir. Definir.
Definir.
टीम ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वोकैबुलरीज है सारी. Entire vocab which we use in section A, section B, section A, section B. Say Claire. Établir is to establish. Répétez après moi. Établir.
Établir.
Étourdir. Étourdir is to stun. You know, हैरान हो जाना. Étourdir is to हैरान हो जाना. Stun. Say Claire. Finir.
Finir.
Is to finish. Franchir is very important vocab to clear all the obstacles which we call as franchise. Repeat after me. Franchise.
Franchise.
Grossir is to gain weight, to get fatty. If you will say problem is very big, I can say gross. Say big, agrondir, but the problem has taken a lot of weightage. Grossir.
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 Is it clear to you, team? Gerir. Gerir is my verb to heal, to cure, to recover. If I will say there's some problem going on and you have to describe the problem and you have to come up with a conclusion. The conclusion we have gerir verb. I will explain to you. But premièrement, first, premièrement. Repeat after me. Premièrement. Team bolo.
Premièrement.
Gradually, I will explain to you a lot of things. Premièrement is first of all. Premièrement.
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 Team, repeat after me. Tout d'abord. Tout d'abord is first of all. Tout is all. Literally meaning of tout. T-O-U-T. Tout is all. And d'abord is first. So tout d'abord is first of all. Is it clear to you?
Tout d'abord.
Is it clear to you? Premièrement, tout d'abord, c'est clair.
Tout d'abord.
First of all.
तो इसको लिख के दिखा दो ये दो वर्ड.
हाँ बच्चे लिखा हुआ है ऑलरेडी.
कहाँ पे?
आपने शायद ना अपना जूम, आपने अपना मोबाइल को ना जूम किया होगा थोड़ा सा.
हाँ सर जूम कर लिया था. हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी. ठीक है
ठीक है
ठीक है. ओके.
नॉर्मल तो लिखा हुआ है. Premièrement is first of all. Tout d'abord.
Tout d'abord.
What is the pronunciation of this one?
Okay, let me explain to you. Premièrement, répétez après moi. If we have a S sound, premièrement, répétez après moi. Premièrement. You know, primary, we say primary first of all in a primary stage. Hana? So we use these vocabularies in speaking, in writing. Premièrement, répétez après moi. Premièrement. Tout d'abord. Tout d'abord is first of all. These are the connectors. If you want to clear IELTS, you have to have connectors in place.
Yes.
In the very third day, second day, I'm going to explain to you connectors also for a B1. That's how the language works. C'est clair. Premièrement, tout d'abord. Répétez après moi. Premièrement. Tout d'abord. C'est clair. En premier lieu, टीम ये प्लीज आपको इसका बहुत प्रैक्टिस करोगे इस सेशन के साथ. En premier lieu, और इधर चलो premier lieu, अभी मैं इसको हटा देता हूँ. सिर्फ अभी दो करो प्रैक्टिस. Premièrement, tout d'abord. C'est clair.
Premièrement, tout d'abord. Yes.
Okay. So टीम अब एक काम करोगे, बताओ अभी और थोड़ा सा ये जो पूरा वर्ब्स है पूरा करना है या हाफ करोगे एडिंग वर्ब?
Sufficient.
अच्छा, gerir we have covered till gerir, right? So team, pen down please project 2. Pen down please project 2. In project 2 you have to submit your two connectors from Yaxmo to the board with 5 times. You have to write them 5 times in project 2.
जी
Connectors, you have to pen down 5 times. You can pen down 10 times and you can send it to me. In project 2, you have two connectors from Yaxmo to the board, which you need to submit after writing
okay
5 times, 4 times. And you have to submit this I-ending verb conjugation up to gerir. Is it clear to you?
yes sir
And you have to submit your voice of ironing verb. For example, accomplish, achieve, agrandis. This is your project, which you need to submit without fail before starting the session. Say clear.
okay
So now you have to project. Project 1, you have to complete year-ending verbs conjugation.
yes sir
Project 2, you have to pen down 2 connectors with 5-6 times and send me the voice recording from Yaxmo to the board. And you have to submit your voice also in the WhatsApp from Yaxmo to the board. I will see your pronunciation also. In project,
okay
you have to submit I-ending verb conjugation. You have to conjugate till gerir, and you have to submit your voice of I-ending verb. For example, accomplir. Then you have to conjugate Jacques accompli, tu accompli. So you have to submit a voice also, so that I will come to know where is the pronunciation gap. J'accomplis, tu accomplis, il accompli. So you have to submit your voice of entire identity verb, which you will conjugate with writing pattern. Whatever you write, you click from the camera and you submit back to me on the WhatsApp. And you have to submit 2 connectors. These type of movements will take you in a very beautiful level if you will work like that. And this is a work training which you have to submit. Say Claire, can you do that, team?
yes sir
Clear? आपका जो question था, what I was, I forgot your name. 1 second. अरविंदर, आपका जो
yes
question अरविंदर रिकॉर्डिंग का कि आपके पास मॉर्निंग का टाइम होता है, आई विल ट्राई. ओके.
okay sir okay
और अदरवाइज क्या होगा, जब आप सेशन मेरे साथ लगाते रहोगे ना, विंडो इतनी ओपन हो जाएंगी सेशंस में, यू कैन गो एनी ऑफ द चैनल. आपके लेवल का जो सेशन है मैं आपको भेज दूंगा फिर. क्लियर?
ठीक है सर
हाँ
ओके
जी, सेशन तो काफी है, जहाँ वहां पे भी आयरनिंग वर्ब रिपीट हो रही है किसी सेशन में भी. सो जो अपलोड आयरनिंग वर्ब का होगा, व्हिच आई विल सेंड इट टू यू. से क्लियर?
yes sir
ओके. सो टीम ए स्क्वायर पे टाइटल पे कहता है टाइम लिखा होगा आपकी वीडियो का 4:30 AM करके. So you can go through with this. Okay, but yes, I will definitely send it to you. Give me some time and I will share the recording also. Say Claire team. Okay.
yes sir
Okay. So practice hard and submit your project, please. Okay.
okay
Of
so tomorrow will be a holiday, it's off Saturday Sunday.
हाँ हाँ, Saturday is off. Saturday Sunday is off. You do practice. Saturday Sunday आपको ना सेशंस आते हैं, मैं आपको भेजूंगा सेशंस कुछ. ओके, आप मुझे सबमिट करके भेजना. लेकिन आपका टास्क मुझे मॉर्निंग में चाहिए. आई विल चेक इट.
मंडे मॉर्निंग नो.
नहीं नहीं सर, सैटरडे मॉर्निंग चाहिए.
सैटरडे मॉर्निंग, कल मॉर्निंग में चाहिए ना. ठीक है, हाँ जी हाँ जी, तो ठीक है.
राइट
राइट.
क्योंकि सैटरडे संडे क्या होता है, आई विल शेयर सम सेशंस, 1 सेशन, 2 सेशंस, नॉर्मल सेशन, फिर वो भी आपको सबमिट करने होते हैं. क्लियर? क्योंकि आई वांट यू टू क्लियर, है ना. सो सबमिट इट आउट. टाइम होगा मंग जी आपके पास इतना?
आई विल मैनेज.
चलो
देखता हूँ, जितना हुआ उतना मैं कर दूंगा.
हाँ हाँ, मतलब
मॉर्निंग टाइम का बस यही फायदा है कि मॉर्निंग में ये टाइम मैनेजमेंट हो सकती है, इवनिंग में नहीं.
अच्छा, नो प्रॉब्लम. आप इसको करना, मुझे भेजना, ठीक है? ओके.
हाँ जी सर, हाँ जी.